Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Andrea. Today I will be doing this eye look. It's a Mexican flag cut crease and I'm really excited to do this. I also just got a new palette which I was really excited for, and you will see in this next clip when I start doing my makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoy and give me a follow if you aren't already following. Thank you, enjoy! Okay, we're going to jump right into this eye look. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids. So I've been waiting to film a video because I ordered this. It's the James Charles Morphe palette. I was really excited. I know I'm late on this palette train, but I'm really excited. These are all the colors in it, and I'm really excited to start playing with them. So, I have an idea in mind, so let's get started. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and then take these two colors right here and start blending them out at the top of my eye. And right now we are just doing right here because then I'm going to use the concealer to conceal the bottom half of this eye. Take this brown right here. And just keep blending out. And then I'm going to take this darker brown right here and lightly tap it. I think I said lighter. I mean darker brown, sorry. So once it looks like this, we are going to then go in, if I can find it, with this Maybelline New York concealer. Again, it's very white, and we're going to cut the crease. Just pat. It's gonna get messy, but we're gonna clean that up afterwards. Okay, we're gonna close our eye for a little bit. I know my eye's switching, and I'm just gonna fan this out. And then we're gonna put a little bit of powder, translucent powder on there, so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so after we have powder on it, you're gonna take some of your cleansing water and a little pad or whatever you have. It can be a little tissue with water on it, and clean up that edge right there. Don't want it that long, so we're gonna fix it. There we go. And then clean up the moisture. So once we make sure that is dry, we are gonna go in with our next colors. Again, using the James Charles Morphe palette. If I can open it, we're gonna go in with this red color right here in the inner corner of the eye. So get to about there. Then we are going to go in with the white right here, this big white right there. I know it looks green, but my brush is stained green. we're gonna do green. This green at the bottom right here. So with this fluffy brush, we're gonna go in right here. But once we start hitting that wing, we're gonna go in with a smaller brush to really get it right. And then I'm gonna clean up the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and then I'll be right back. So I just did both eyes. I'm going to add some eyeliner. If I can find it. Found it. I'm just gonna add a winged eyeliner. Not too thick. Okay, now we can get started on the face makeup. Gonna add a little bit more white there to make it even. Okay, so now wipe this off. Again, I'm gonna go in with my number 7, Lift and Illuminate. I also haven't been filming because I haven't been wearing that much makeup because my face was breaking up for a little bit. So I wanted to let my face breathe. I'm going to be trying a new way of concealing my face. I saw it on TikTok and I actually really liked the turnout of it, so I'm gonna try it today. Hopefully it looks good, because I don't want to have to redo this video. So what I saw in the video, let's see. I'm gonna be using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I'm gonna take a little flat brush. He, in the video, put the concealer like this, so it kind of gave you that look that your face is being lifted. And then just a little bit under the eye, and then around the nose. That. Okay, and then now we blend it out. On the nose. I actually like it. Oh my god, I thought for a second that it wasn't videotaping this whole thing. I got very scared. Okay, and then I'm going to take my translucent powder and powder where I just concealed. I just kind of spilled it on myself. And then we're going to go ahead and do that on the other side. Now with a darker shade of foundation, because I do not have any other liquid contour, we're gonna just add a little bit right there, and then we'll blend it out to get that dewy looking contour. so it's not so powdery. I usually do this when I want a more dewy look, which is like right now. And you can take any brush because you're just going to end up blending it anyways. Then we can't forget the hairline. And we're going to go in with the Too Faced bronzer, just a little bit. And add a little bit more. Okay, now here comes the fun part. Where you're going to bake and just create that cheekbone contour. You're going to contour the nose a little bit with the excess darker foundation. We're going to add a little bit of our concealer on the bridge of the nose and blend that out. Now I'm just adding a little bit of powder. To really define the nose. And let that sit for a little bit. We are going to wipe off right here. And then wipe off the nose. Didn't let it sit for that long. I'm gonna go in with my Honey Bee lashes and apply them. I will apply them on camera now so you can see my struggle. I am not the quickest person when it comes to putting eyelashes on. We're gonna wait for the glue to get tacky so it doesn't slip and slide when I put it on my eye. Okay. That was actually way quicker than I've ever done that. I'm really amazed with myself right now. I'm so proud of myself. Okay. Oh, here we go. We're gonna start struggling again. Now with a smaller brush, we are going to kind of mimic the eye, but underneath. So, I'm going to go in with that red right underneath the eye. Okay, and we're going to go in with the same brush that we had the white on. If I could find it, that would be nice. Did I drop it? I did indeed. drop it. Okay, we're gonna go in with the same brush that we had the white on and brush it underneath the eye. Now, with the same brush we had the green on, do the same exact thing. And there we go. And the other eye. I give up. Why did it do that? There we go. I'm not sure why I did that. Pretty irked about that though. Why did it do that? Okay, it still looks good. Whatever. It looks fine. We're fine. No, we're not going home. She's fine. Now I'm going to go in with this eyeliner, any black eyeliner, I gotta make sure my finger is clean or else I'm going to have to again. Okay, I'm going to go in on the waterline. Now, time for highlighter. Okay, now you guys can go in with any red lipstick. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and give me a like, and then comment down below what looks you want me to do for the next video or videos in the future. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.